Welcome to this quick demonstration of the Color Manager using FormMaker by Isaperla. And we'll start off by having a little look at the one of the existing forms that comes with the app. And you can see it's got this turquoisey blue color scheme, and that's attached to the form using this color palette here, which is classic, which is that turquoisey blue one. If I want to change that, first of all I have to take a clone of this read-only form, the one that came with the app. So I need to create an editable version of it. I do that using the clone button. And then I can go into design mode, have a look at it, or just have a look at its form level settings. And I can change the color palette here to, say, monochrome. And then if I look at it, you can see that it's got this black and white type color palette. Now if I want to create my own color palette, I can do that. I go down to the color manager down here, and again I need to create a clone of one of these read-only ones that came with the app, and I'll create a clone of classic. It's called classic copy. If I go into its settings, I can do things like change the background color of the title bar to green, and I can change the background to text boxes to yellow, say, for instance, and the entered text color to orange, and the button background, say, to yellow, and the button text to, say, purple. And we'll have a little look at that. So if I go back to my form, if I look at my form now, it's still black and white. So I need to change the form setting to the color palette to classic copy, which is the one I just created. Now if I go into it, you can see that it's a strange combination of greens and yellows, and if I then go back in and change it back to, say, the color palette of say tan, that's another one that came with the app, you can see that it's brown, and I can then change it back to classic, which is what it was originally. There we go. So what we do is we create a color palette of our own, and then we attach that color palette, or we point the form at that color palette using the form level settings down here, color palette. And that's all there is to it.